Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome. Now in this video we are going to calculate the age that based on in multiple ways, and here I'm going to enter the date of birth as the 28th January 1947 entered, and today here I'm going to enter the date as 31st of August, that is 2020. So here the dates are available, and if you wanted to count in years, the formula will be equals to dated if open bracket equals to dated if open bracket, the first argument from comma, second argument to comma, and out of this what we would like to calculate, we would like to calculate the years. So double comma open y and again close the bracket. The total years that he lived is 73 years. That is correct. Yes, here again the same formula, equal to dated if open bracket, first argument from comma to comma, what we are expecting in years, right, comma, again the same double comma close the bracket and enter. Here we got the same answer. Here in months, I would like to calculate a person that how many months he lived, then equals to dated if open bracket equals to dated if open bracket from argument comma to argument comma, double comma open, only m, close bracket, close inverted commas, again close the bracket, and it is going to calculate only the months that he lived. That means 883 months he lived. And now in this case I would like to calculate only the months after 73 years, then the formula will get changed, equals to dated if open bracket equals to dated if open bracket from comma to comma, double comma open, that means inverted commas open, and here I would like to calculate months but after years. So yeah, then instead of typing only m and close bracket, we are going to add 1 before m. I would like to calculate months after years, then just simply type y before m, then press enter. That means 73 years 7 months. Next, here I would like to calculate total how many number of days he lived, then the formula will be only d, equals to dated if open bracket from date of birth to as on comma, double comma open, only d, double comma close, that means inverted commas closed, and the close the bracket, and he lived total 26,879 days he lived. But here I would like to calculate what is the number of days he lived after 73 years and 7 months, right? So here the formula will be get changed again, equal to dated if open bracket from date comma to date comma, I would like to calculate days but after passes months. So before d you just add m, then close the bracket, then close the double comma, then again close the bracket and press enter. Yes, he lived total 73 years 7 months 3 days, and here he lived total 73 years. The age in months is 883 months. The age in days is 26,879 days, and here we have he lived totally 73 years 7 months 3 days. And here if you once change, for example, equals to today, I'm going to calculate the date as per the system 31st of July 20 and 70. Now here the date equals to today open bracket close bracket and press enter. So as of now today he lived 73 years 6 months 3 days. And here for example, if you keep here 1st of January 1947, and here also 1st of January 2020, 20, that then there will be no remaining days and there will be no remaining months, because it is just going to calculate only the number of years, and there is no over months and there is no over days. So this is how we calculate age in Excel, that too in multiple ways. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.